Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about adverbs of place. Let's get started. Remember that an adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other verbs. Note that adverbs usually modify verbs, telling us how often, when, or where something was done. Have a look at the example over here. We walked really slowly. Now the adverb slowly modifies the verb walked. It tells us how we walked. Now adverbs of place tell us where something happens. They do not modify adjectives or other adverbs. Have a look at the example below. I'm going back to school in a month. The adverb of place, back, modifies the verb going. It tells us where we are going. Remember that adverbs of place are usually placed after the main verb or after the clause that they modify. Have a look at the examples below. Come in. The adverb in modifies the main verb come. And in the sentence, Helen looked around trying to find a familiar face in the crowd. Note that the adverb of place around modifies the main verb looked, where Helen looked. Now the adverbs of place that end in where express the idea of location without specifying a specific location or direction. Have a look at the example below. I couldn't find my cat anywhere. The adverb of place, anywhere, expresses the idea of location, but it does not specify a specific location or direction. And adverbs of place that end in wards express movement in a particular direction. Have a look at the example below. Our dog likes to walk backwards. The adverb of place, backwards, expresses the movement of the dog. And with verbs of movement, here means towards or with the speaker, and there means away from or not with the speaker. Have a look at the examples below. You can hang your coat here. The adverb of place here tells us that you are standing near the hanger. And in the sentence, and you can put your shoes there. The adverb of place there tells us that you are pointing at the shoes rack. You are not standing near it. Note that here and there are combined with prepositions to make many common adverbial phrases. Have a look at the examples below. Could you come over here? Over is a preposition, and here the adverb. Together, they make an adverbial phrase. What are you doing up there? Again, up is a preposition, and there the adverb of place. And here and there are placed at the beginning of the sentence in exclamations or when emphasis is needed. Note that they are followed by the verb if the subject is a noun, or by a pronoun if the subject is a pronoun. Have a look at the example below. Here comes the train. The adverb of place here is used in the sentence to create emphasis. And note that it's followed by the verb, and its subject is trained, a noun. And in the sentence, there it is. Note that the adverb of place there is followed by a pronoun, which is also the subject of the sentence.